Hey everyone, it's Michelle the Scrapbooker, and I am here today with Tool Time Tuesday, and this month we are talking about punches. And so I wanted to make a layout. I'm making a 2-page layout, and it's based on Janet at Love RTS. Well, it's not Love RTS. Janet at RTS Scrapbooking. She had made a layout based on a Simple Stories like page kit recently on her Patreon channel, and so I basically took the same measurements. So I've got the background paper, and then this is a 3-inch strip. I have added this little stripe, and then this is 10 by 9, and then I'm going to add this. This is the back side, and I just kind of like the way it looked. And I have doubled it so it goes across, and then I have these 4 photos, and they're going to go like this. So I've been kind of playing around, and you'll see here that I gutted this paper here behind the pink because it's got, let's see, this pattern on the back, this quilted pattern that I want to do something with. So I didn't want to waste it. Plus I can fussy cut, right? Okay, so here we go. This is Finley. And I guess you're probably wondering where am I going to get to about punches? Well, I'm going to be using this 2.5-inch scallop punch and this 2-inch scallop punch. And let me put my page together. Let me get it down, and then I will come back and show you how I am going to make flowers with circle punches. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and my layout is actually finished. I just kind of got going on a roll. And I apologize. My camera stand just will not stand straight. If I could just hold it like this. Anyway, so let me see if I can move these zip strips out of the way. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I was telling you that there's a way to make flowers with a circle punch. It doesn't have to be a scallop circle punch. I just don't have any circle punches this size that are not scallop. So let me show you what to do. Let me get, oh, before I do that, let me go ahead and show you the layout. So this is actually a really old rubber piece, and I just added some extra glue, and it's a little not quite dry. I took a few things out of my red color drawer, like some red, put a red label here and here, and I had this yellow cut out of my yellow one. This is in my yellow drawer. This is in my yellow drawer. The red hearts are like chipboard hearts because I cut them out with a metal die and then I layered them a couple years ago, probably, when Janet was showing about how to do that. This is off the sticker sheet, the title. It's a big title. I'd call it a big honkin' sticker like Shamel, but in a different shape, right? This is actually off an Amy Tangerine sticker sheet here. And let's see, the enamel dots are out of my storage. This is out of a Vicki Boutin sticker book. If anyone knows the collection this is to, I'd love to know. It says it's from 2017, and it has a lot of bold, bright colors in it. I did take some leaves and flower stickers off of here, and I was looking for a frame and I liked this, but it just wasn't going to show up on with this paper behind it. Okay, so if you have seen this, don't spoil it for everyone else, but I want you to take a look at this. Okay, so we're gonna make one together. So these two are the 2.5, and then this is the 2. So I think what I'll do today is I'll make the 2. I don't think there's enough room in here. Just not quite big enough. So we're going to cut into this. All right. Whoop. And it goes flying. Okay, and you could use either side. And then here is the mint or capri. I'm not sure what color that is. Then here's the yellow, the lemonade. So every flower I have on here is made with these 3 pattern papers. And whoops, I just, on one I have the mint on top, one the yellow, and one the red. And good grief, it doesn't want to go away, does it? Here we go. Let's see if we can get it out now. Okay, so I have the 3. Okay, this is so hard. Then you're just gonna take water and you're gonna spray it, right? And then you're gonna crumple them all up, right? All right, after you crumple them up, you're gonna need to let them dry. Okay, unfold them, let them dry. Shouldn't take too long. And that just kind of breaks the fibers, right? All right. So those are neat to dry, but let me show you. So here I have some scratch paper and I've taken 3 and they're dry. So then you layer them up and then you, poke a hole in the center. You just guesstimate, right? And then you put a big honkin' brad in there. Look at these huge brads. I have one more. A brad, or you could put a button in the center. So you just put it in there. And mine do not go through the layout. I went ahead and glued mine down because I didn't want the brad to show on the back. But that's all you do. And then you can just keep crumpling it up to give it more dimension, or you can kind of lay it down. It's something I learned years and years ago, and I had forgotten about it. And I just thought, hey, that would be kind of cool to show today. So I hope that it's something that you might want to try yourself. And let me know. Tag me in your photos on Facebook or Instagram if you decide to do this too. And so until then, thank you for stopping by. And this is a collaborative hop, so please stop by and see everyone listed down below and see what they have done with punches this month. Thank you for stopping by. I'll see you next month. Bye-bye.